The moral norm, as I saw it in Dune, was something that is imposed upon people by their environment. We see it in our society, for example, out of our nomadic background and herdsman background. We see all kinds of moral injunctions which grew up out of that and which we accept today logically. I'm not trying to denigrate them, but we can trace them this way. Now this is where moral law comes from. Ethical law takes a step in another direction. And it says that I, the thinking animal, see that the logical consequences of these moral actions are such and so, and maybe I better modify the moral law slightly by a higher ethical law. The way the character of Paul was constructed, it was a conflict between absolutes and the necessity of the moment.
Yeah.
And
it's almost an existential necessity, incidentally, as I caught it, as I read it.
That's right.
When the tribe tries to force upon Paul the apparent necessity for killing Stilgar, and he has to talk the tribe out of one of their tribal rules in order
a moral.
Yeah, right.
A moral rule.
A moral rule.
And you see how the moral rule was developed out of the necessities of their background.
Exactly.
And he has given them then an ethical rule.
Yes. And yet this conflict is continual within Paul, I think.